Hyenas are known for their distinctive laughter-like vocalizations, which can be heard up to 3 miles away. There are 4 species of hyenas, with the spotted hyena being the most common. Hyenas are carnivorous and are skilled hunters, but they are also known to scavenge for food. Despite their reputation as scavengers, hyenas are actually intelligent and social animals that live in large groups called clans. Hyenas have a unique digestive system that allows them to digest and extract nutrients from bones and other tough materials. Hyenas have powerful jaws and teeth that are capable of crushing bones and tearing through flesh. Hyenas have a lifespan of around 12 years in the wild, but they can live up to 25 years in captivity. Hyenas are important predators in their ecosystems and play a crucial role in maintaining a balance of prey populations. Hyenas are known for their excellent sense of smell, which they use to locate food and communicate with other members of their clan. Hyenas have a complex social hierarchy, with females dominating over males and ranking based on age, size, and strength. Overall, the lifespan of hyenas can vary depending on their environment and other factors, but they generally live around 12 years in the wild and up to 25 years in captivity.